this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and categories and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location, reviews, and attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and ratings on Navya giving ideas to enjoy your stay. Its review rating is 9.2, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Property accept major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is attractive and guests love to enjoy the surrounding. 10 categories of rooms are available online. And enjoy your stay. Activities and offers are available online for this property.